So I am taking my bangs out with my curler, and I am looking for my brush. Just taking small sections, I'm going to backcomb and tease the bang. And this is going to make the roll a whole lot easier. Just keep teasing until it's all one big massive amount of tease. I'm just brushing out to smooth it, and then taking the end of the curl and flipping it in. I'm just going to start rolling it up. When I'm rolling, I'm trying to keep it tucked in on the sides so that it's a small roll, and then I'll pull it apart. Just making sure that my sections are good and pushing in those sides. Looking for a roll, not a sausage. And then keep rolling it up to the forehead. And then I'll take a couple of bobby pins and tuck them in there. Unfortunately, I don't have black bobby pins, so you might be able to see a couple of pins. And you're mostly just pinning the end that is tucked in. And pinning both sides so that it doesn't separate. And then I'm really just trying to get the shape that I want. And then I'm going to continue to pin it in place. Just really tucking that underneath part. The backcombing really helps to shape the hair. And just continue to play with it until it is the desired shape that you're looking for. So now I'm taking just the top section, and I previously had my hair curled from last night, so I'm just taking the top section and teasing it all the way down to the nape of my neck. And this is just going to give a lot of volume to the back and some shape. Just keep teasing and teasing and teasing and teasing and teasing and teasing and teasing until it's massive. And then I'm going to take just a bristle brush and start smoothing it out. A little bit of hairspray. That's just a finishing spray. It's very light hold. And then I'm just brushing out and smoothing the curls. I decided that I really wanted to pin back the sides and clearly wanted to fix my bangs. So I'm just taking 2 bobby pins and then twisting the sides to give a little bit more shape, and then pinning and turning the bobby pin in backwards so that it's hidden and it holds really well. And twisting and pinning. And then just more fixing of the bangs because they were not the way I wanted them. Giving them a last little spray and a little more tucking underneath. And that is the final look. I'll just show you from the back. It's a little bit messy, but show from the back. And that is my vintage retro Betty Bang curls. Hope you enjoyed. And thank you so much for watching.